Ciao, everyone! Welcome back to AI Chef Secrets. Today, we're diving into the sweet world of bomboloni, those fluffy, filled Italian donuts that are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. So let's get started. Now, let's take a quick trip back in time. Bomboloni have been enjoyed in Italy for centuries. They're especially popular in Tuscany and are often made during festivals and special occasions. The name bombolone actually means big bomb in Italian, which perfectly describes their fluffy, filled nature. Alright, let's get our hands doughy. Here's a simple recipe to make bomboloni at home. You'll need 4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, 1 packet of yeast, 1 cup of milk, 3 eggs, a pinch of salt, your favorite filling like Nutella or pastry cream, and powdered sugar for dusting. Start by mixing the yeast with warm milk and a bit of sugar. Let it sit until frothy. Then combine all your ingredients, knead the dough until smooth, and let it rise until doubled in size. Once your dough has risen, roll it out, cut it into circles, and let them rest for a bit. After letting the dough rest for about 30 minutes, it's time to fry. Heat oil in a deep pan to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Carefully drop in the dough circles, frying them until they're golden brown on both sides. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan, as this can lower the oil temperature and affect the cooking. Once they're golden brown, use a slotted spoon to remove them and let them drain on paper towels. Now let's fill these delicious bomboloni. Once they've cooled slightly, use a piping bag to fill them with your favorite filling. You can use jam, pastry cream, or even Nutella for a chocolatey twist. Finally, dust them generously with powdered sugar, and there you have it, your homemade bomboloni. Now, the best part, let's taste these beauties. They're so fluffy, and the filling is just perfect. You have to try making these at home. Scene 2. Conclusion time code 0002 120 0002 250. Visual. Wrap up the video. Outro music plays. Host, VO. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and let me know in the comments how your bomboloni turned out. Until next time, happy cooking. Ciao!